What's up? Welcome back to Picky Garage. If you're tuning in for the first time, thanks for checking out the channel. Today I have a pretty cool build going together here in the backyard. We're building a new garage at the Picky Garage headquarters, I guess you can call it, or whatever you want to say. But this is going to be a metal building. It is, how big is it?
26 wide by 36 feet.
So it is going to be 26 wide by 30. So 26 wide by 36 deep, with 12-foot high ceilings, 9-foot garage doors. It's going to be a really big building, so you can probably pretty much fit any car in, 2 cars deep. Can get 2 lifts going on back there, but it's going to be really cool. We're going to do, it's all metal, so it's a metal building. So this is how they normally put it together with the truss and everything. Really cool how it all goes together. Walking inside, it's actually pretty spacious. I mean, here's a Bobcat, however long that is, but you can see there's a ton of room. You can walk around, the cars and whatnot. Might put 2 lifts in the back, so there can be 4 cars, total of 6 cars in here. I'm gonna put benches, cabinets, a TV. It's going to be insulated. We're going to do the big ass fans, or the big fans, 1 or 2 of them. I'm not too sure what we're going to do yet, but I feel like it's going to have to be 1 really big one or 2 smaller ones. I know they go up to like 12 feet, but that would be really cool with exposed metal. It's going to be insulated, like I said. We're going to do an air conditioning unit, one of the split units in the back here on the wall. Everything's going to look symmetrical. It's going to look really cool. But yeah, really excited. I mean, when you're standing in here, it's just, it is huge. It's going to be really big. Really big. So this is pretty much the initial steps. They just started 2 or 3 days ago, and it goes up really quick, which is awesome. Compared to a conventional garage. But yeah, it's going to be really cool when it's done. All special flooring in here, maybe a sitting area, like I said, a TV. Don't really know how we're going to set it all up, but it's going to be a really sick setup. Probably going to do 2 hose reels, so air hose on both sides, an air compressor, 2 electrical reels. Gonna get Wi-Fi down here, speaker system, everything. So it's gonna be a in-depth man cave, pretty much, and to show off, whatever cars come through the household. Yeah, so gonna be really excited. I'm just happy to show it to you guys. The initial setup and everything. Pretty much what they do is we put a driveway in, a stone driveway to start. It's 8 inches deep. How wide's the driveway?
11 foot.
11 feet wide. It's gonna split out to here, so you can get into both car bays. A lot of room to turn around and whatnot. And then they deliver the wood frames. Cost of lumber is high right now. But yeah, they deliver the frames, the truss, and everything. Come out and put it up with this big equipment. But yeah, that's the building, the exoskeleton. Next steps is to start putting the metal on, and then after that it'll be metal interior with insulation, garage doors, floors, electrical outlets, the hose reels, TV, air compressor, and so forth. But yeah, really excited. So stay tuned for more to come on this. Just wanted to show you guys the initial build. It's a really cool setup, and it happened so quick. I mean, this is 3 days pretty much of start from start to what you see right here. Probably another week, and it'll be fully metal framed, and then we can start on the interior and whatnot. Really excited to see this thing finished. It's going to be really cool and really pretty and really nice place to show off the cars. But yeah, so thanks for checking out the video. If you have any questions about the process, why we chose this over a conventional building, things of that nature, feel free to leave a comment. I'll get back to all of you. And as always, thanks for watching.